Hey guys, if you're watching this video, I didn't upload last night, and this is why. Sam's mum, I was meant to go to stay at Sam's house tonight, and she messaged me about half an hour ago and said, can you come over a bit earlier because we booked you a hotel room. So they have treated Sam and I for a night at the Grand Chancellor, which is just like so lovely and so unexpected. And yeah, so the last half an hour I've just been rushing to get ready. My hair's wet, but I bought my hair straightener, my hair dryer, and my makeup and stuff, because we'll probably go for tea or something. So I am so excited. Yeah, I'm really sorry I didn't upload last night, but yeah, I didn't have time. So yeah, I have my camera bag because I'm gonna vlog it. I've got my clothes and everything in there, and I've got my makeup just in case I decide to do my makeup. So yeah, I'll show you guys when we get there. I'm really excited.
Bathers to go to the pool.
Let's go buy some from Target.
Alright.
Do you wanna? Huh?
Well, you're not going to put this part in the vlog anyway, are you?
Yeah, this is our hotel. Do you reckon you can...
Now. Look at this chair.
Do you reckon you can jump out the window and like crawl on the pebbles? Do you reckon? Like surely?
You could.
I feel like... Yeah, because I feel like this is a bit of a safety hazard. Is it? Oh wait, I think it goes... Wait.
What the fuck?
Wait, maybe it doesn't open. I don't know. Oh, okay, maybe it is locked. That's probably a good thing because I feel like it wouldn't be very good if you could go... Oh no. Oh my god, what the hell?
You can, but I think that noise is just put there to stop you from doing it. No, it only opens this far.
Oh right, so you can't... Well, if you're really skinny, like a baby could go out there.
If you were 10 centimeters wide.
Yeah. You could jump and play on the pebbles. Anyway, we're at the hotel now. It's actually really nice here. Our bed. There's me. Our little coffee station. Oh, the shower's nice. Yeah, this is the shower I want when we have like our own house. Where do you turn the light on? Oh, hang on. I feel like it's out here.
It's not on me.
Bathroom here. Look how nice this bathroom is. This is the exact bathroom I want in our house.
This exact one.
Yeah.
I'm going to rip this one out.
This is nice, isn't it? What do you want to do now?
I don't know. Go to the pool.
Do you want to
So
go?
they have a spa. We can always just go put our feet in the spa.
I don't know. Anyway. We just went to Target and we got some board shorts because we didn't bring bathers and there's a pool. So we got a steal actually. They were only $2. They were on clearance.
Steal.
And then I just got a bra to go in the pool. So we did good. I think we're gonna go for tea now. We're gonna go for tea?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Stop it.
Were you filming for all that?
Yeah.
Cool.
I bought all my makeup because I was going to do my makeup before we went out for tea. But now I'm just like, I really can't be bothered to be honest. I'm kind of hungry, so I'm kind of want to go.
Don't put that in there because my mouth is broken, guys.
It's not. Anyway, let's go for tea now. And I bought my hair straightener and everything, and now I'm just going to wear my hair after bun and look how I always look. Ugly.
Ugly.
Alright, we're going for tea now. This is like on our floor. Do you want to go have a look at the pool and see what it looks like? See it?
Sure.
It's just so pretty, like, I don't know. Look at it. It's so nice. I love it. Right, let's go have a look at the pool. Do you have the card, Sam? What did you get?
What was that?
Do you have the card?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I think you need the card to open it in here. Oh, 5 AM. We can wake up early.
Early morning swim. How I actually might do that because that's like, I love early morning swims. Like.
Oh, is there people in there? Because I don't want to film if there's like... Oh my god, there's so many people in there. I don't want to film people. I feel like that's weird. Okay. I don't want to show you the pool yet because there's people in it, and I feel like that's really weird to come in and start filming everyone in the pool. Oh, we just got our food, so we got some fries, a burger, some buffalo wings. I'm so excited. So we've just had tea, and now we've got our swimming attire, our double XL board shorts on. They're a little bit loose, but we've tied them up as much as we can. So yeah, but they're $2, so we weren't gonna pay $20.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're gonna go to the pool now. Dinner was so nice, by the way. We just went for a bit of swim, but it's so cold, isn't it?
It's crazy.
So we're about to go in the sauna, but it was nice. We just got some Uber Eats, some Sanjuro, yum. We're about to watch a scary movie. We're about to watch Relic. This is called a I can't remember. Oh, a snack pack or something, I think. I'm so excited. You excited? Having a nice night? Love ya.
Love you.
Alright, so we're gonna watch our movie and eat our food.
Stop filming me.
Why?
I don't know.
Do you want to get upset?
Yes.
Okay, so it's the next morning now. The city is so pretty. Yeah, it was just such a nice night and such a, I don't know, it's weird. Like, we come to town all the time, but just staying here is such a different experience. And I just feel like it was really nice to kind of have a night away and to have some time to ourselves and stuff. Like, every time that I stay at Sam's house, his family's always there, and whenever he stays at mine, obviously my family are there too, which is obviously fine, but it's just, I feel like it's different when you're alone. It's nice to spend some quality time, because we've been together for 3 years now. I feel like by this stage most people have moved in together, but we obviously haven't. But yeah, it was a really, really nice night, and yeah, I'm really happy. I feel kind of revived, regenerated, I don't know. But I am excited to go home and to film and upload my videos, and yeah, but I feel like it was much needed. I honestly didn't realise how much I needed it myself. But yeah, it was such a nice night. Sam's just having a shower. I'm just about to get dressed. I'm wearing the little bathrobe that they have at this place. I don't know, this is just so nice. I have 3 different dressing gowns, but this one is just fancy. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get dressed now. I probably won't add anything else to the vlog because we're pretty much done. Sam's mum's about to come pick us up and take us home. So yeah, but thank you. Oh, actually, I'll update when I get home. So yeah, but anyway.